The Boone County Conservation District takes great pride in creating and establishing native plantings on its managed lands. At the heart of this process is the collection of native seed. A large portion of the seed that the Conservation District uses for new projects is collected by our very own staff and volunteers. We rely on our dedicated volunteers to help collect and then sow the diverse collection of native plants through the growing season. Local seed sources provide well-adapted plants that grow best in our climate. Volunteers collected over 250 pounds of seed at a value of $32,000 from conservation areas in 2020. Healthy natural areas will offer blooms throughout an entire growing season. Our primary goal is to create and plant seed mixes that provide blooms from April through October every year. Established native plants provide food sources and cover for hundreds of species, beginning with pollinators, the backbone of a healthy ecosystem. Pollination is an essential process to create viable seed and ensure that wildflowers become established within a planting area. Plants that return each year continue to provide a sustainable home to wildlife. The Boone County Conservation District approaches each new planting as a critically important resource. The benefits of these plantings are immeasurable to the insects, pollinators, reptiles, and amphibians, songbirds, upland game birds, and mammals that utilize our plantings for shelter and food sources. Since pollinators are essential in human food production, helping them also helps people grow our food. Diverse, robust plantings also provide beautiful experiences for visitors at the Conservation District, making the community a healthier, more beautiful place to live. Highlighting these benefits reminds us to work with our community of volunteers to treat new plantings as future seed resources that will allow us to expand our efforts to benefit both visitors and wildlife. The effort that BCCD staff members, interns, and volunteers put towards restoration takes shape in a multi-year process. This will be evident at the Funderburg South site in the next 10 years. Want to be part of the seed collection? Visit bccdil.org/volunteer to learn more. To watch more of the progress on this restoration and stay connected, like and follow us on social media on Facebook and Instagram. We hope you enjoy the natural areas here in beautiful Boone County.